नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस staged a sharp rally during the first half of the session. However, they struggled to sustain above their 20-day EMA and witnessed a pullback thereafter. Despite this, each index managed to close the day with solid gains. The Nasdaq rose 2.28%, the Dow advanced 1.07%, and the S&P 500 gained 1.67%. Going ahead for the S&P 500, the zone of 5,450 to 5,470 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while the zone of 5,320 to 5,300 will act as an immediate support. Talking about the macro indicators, the Brent crude also failed to hold above its 20-day EMA and slipped into the corrective phase, ending the session with a loss of 2.56%. Going forward, a sustained move below the $64 mark could trigger further downside, potentially dragging prices towards the $62 level. The US dollar index ended on a positive note for the second consecutive trading session. However, it is still trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 99 to 98.8 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty continues to scale higher, notching its 7th consecutive day of gains as the bulls firmly maintain control. What stands out is the impressive recovery of nearly 2,600 points from the recent low of 21,744, achieved within just 10 trading sessions, a testament to the market's renewed optimism and resilience. On the month-to-date basis, Nifty has advanced 3.44%, reflecting the broader bullish sentiment prevailing across sectors. While the past two sessions have seen the index take a brief pause, the overall structure remains encouraging as the index has still managed to close in the green, underscoring underlying buying strength. A particularly notable development was Wednesday's price action, the formation of a candle with a long lower shadow on the daily chart. This type of candlestick is often interpreted as a sign of strong demand at lower levels, suggesting that any intraday dips are being viewed as a buying opportunity. आगे जाके 24,220 से 24,200 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,200 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट 24,080 के आसपास मिलेगा। वही अगर ऊपर की तरफ देखें तो 24,370 से 24,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,400 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो एक शार्प अपसाइड रैली देखने को मिल सकती है, जो पहले 24,550 तक जा सकती है और उसके बाद शॉर्ट टर्म में 24,700 लेवल तक भी पहुंच सकती है। On the derivative front, the April future surged by 0.59%, while the combined open interest for the current text and FAR series dipped by 1.10%. The 24,400 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 24,500 strike. On the put side, the 24,300 has substantial open interest, followed by the 24,200 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 1.07. Talking about Bank Nifty took a breather on Wednesday after a sharp upside rally of over 6,200 points in just 10 trading sessions. आगे जाके 55,000 to 54,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अगर ऊपर की तरफ देखें तो 55,600 to 55,700 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark Sensex extended its winning streak, closing higher for the 7th straight session. Significantly it ended above the 80,000 mark for the first time since December 2024. On Wednesday, the index formed a dragonfly doji candlestick pattern which indicates buying interest emerging at lower levels. आगे जाके 79,600 to 79,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अगर ऊपर की तरफ देखें तो 80,300 to 80,400 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.66% and the open interest of the current series has also surged by 16.39%. The 80,200 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 80,500 strike. On the put side, 80,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by a 79,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.79. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX surged by nearly 5%. Along with this rise, it has surged above its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 16.8 to 17 will act as a crucial hurdle for India VIX. Despite the sharp recovery in the frontline indices from the intraday low, the advanced decline ratio remained flat on Wednesday. अगर हम की सेक्टर्स की बात करें तो द निफ्टी आईटी इंडेक्स हैज शार्पली आउटपरफॉर्म द फ्रंटलाइन इंडाइसेस ऑन वेडनेसडे, posting its strongest single day gain since July 2024. Notably, it has closed above its 20-day EMA for the first time since February 2025. Additionally, the daily RSI has surged past the 50 mark and is trending upwards. These technical signals suggest that the index is poised to outperform in the short term. Apart from Nifty IT, sectors like Nifty Bank, private banks, financial services, defense, capital markets, PSE, CPSE, and India tourism sectors are exhibiting strong bullish momentum. These themes continue to show leadership and are well positioned to outperform in the near term. Talking about the FIDI data, the FI is bought to the tune of 3,333 crores, while the DI is sold to the tune of 1,234 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 33.04, as on a net basis they bought 7,564 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.